Hello guys, Saul here and welcome to SHEQXEL tutorial. In this video we are going to look at a few things that we are supposed to be aware of whenever we are engaging with SHEQXEL.com. It's very important that we understand all the information and the resources that we provided for you to make informed purchase decision without having to get lost in the process of engaging with our website. We understand that there are quite a lot of information on our site that can be a bit confusing, and sometimes people don't actually bother to look them up, all the resources that we provided before actually trying to get in touch with us. So in this video I'll just show you all the pages on our website so that you can always do it yourself without having to get stranded in the process. All right, so this is the home page wherever you're joining in from, wherever you're going to be seeing SHEQXEL. It's either on Google, LinkedIn, YouTube, or any other social media platform. When you click on the link, you're going to land on a page. Most likely it's going to be our home page, or it could be our product page. All right, so let's assume you're going to be landing on the home page. So as you land on the home page, you'll be reading a few things about SHEQXEL. We do customization. We have some reviews. Okay, we have some reviews. Sorry for the mishap. All right, so we have some reviews and all of that, but the most important thing is the fact that you can actually come all the way to the middle section of the website and you find all the list of templates. Okay, now when you come to the website and you find this list of templates, sometimes people have their specific template they are looking for and they don't have the time to actually go through, because going through sometimes is a bit difficult to really figure out which template exactly you're looking for. So we have other important pages that you have to be aware of. Now, before we do that, let's just go to About Us page. Now, for those of you who are curious to know more about us, this is everything you need to know about us. We have a news publication platform, we have a training resource platform, we have immigration solution platform, we have marketing platform, we have review platform, we have our brochure which you can download for your review, and then we also have our LinkedIn profile. All right, so this is everything you need to know about us. SHEQXEL, we do quite a lot of things. All right, now the most important part that you are supposed to take note of is a support page, and this is where you can actually open a ticket, but this page is currently disabled. We have an option to book a meeting, and I think that support is something that should not be confusing. Whenever you see support, it clearly tells you you can get support. So you just come to support, you see book a meeting, you can request for customization, and then you can also leave a review to support us. All right, now you can also go to our Quora space and our YouTube channel, and we have most of the YouTube channel also on another page where you can drill down and understand what exactly it does. And we have support extension also. For those of you who are not so good with Excel and you want some sort of support, it could be regular meetings, it could be multiple meetings. As long as you want us to meet within a span of 6 months, you can actually take advantage of the support extension. Now if you come to the shop, we also have a list of things that we would want you guys to know: types of services, list of templates. There's a landing page where you find all our list of templates. You have a price list quick search. All right, I'm going to open that, and I'm going to open the landing page also, list of templates, and I'm going to open our membership also, our membership. And then I'm going to open the fact that you can also find us on Fiverr, find us on Etsy, you can shop on Eloquence. These are other platforms that you can find us. If you're interested, you can actually click on it. And again, you can shop on our website. Now take note, we have free templates and then premium templates. Now free templates do not have price tag to them. However, you're going to be seeing buttons like purchase. All right, the fact that there's purchase does not mean that you have to spend money. All right, so let's take an example. If I come here, I see purchase is zero price tag. All right, so if I click on purchase, it takes me to the the checkout page, and I provide. So let me just remove it. This is still in there. audit program is still in there. So let me just remove it. We're only focusing on this. All right. All I need is just provide my email address and name, and I click on free download. So the fact that you see purchase does not mean that you need to spend money for it. All right. So that is with the free template. Premium template have price tag to them. And if I click on it, it takes me to the premium template category on the shop page. All right. But these are where we have all the template that you can actually purchase individually. When you click on purchase, it takes you straight to the checkout page. When you click on details, it actually opens a download page where you read more about the template. All right. So those that have videos, you would find the videos right here. And then when you scroll further down, you're gonna see the timestamps and other details. You can actually book a meeting with us before you make a purchase. So that's the link to book a meeting if you want us to demonstrate how to use it. But of course, we have the videos right there for you to see and how to use it. All you need to just click on the link. It takes you to YouTube page and you can actually use it. And there you have it. You also have a pop-up that will tell you scroll down, click on purchase and checkout. So all you need to just scroll down, click on purchase, okay, and then check out. Now once you do that, it takes you to the page. You provide your name and email address and you scroll down and click on purchase. Now there are 3 ways you're gonna find your file after purchasing. You're gonna be directed into to a purchase confirmation page where the file will be right there at the bottom somewhere for you to click on it and download instantly. Quite often people miss the purchase confirmation page because they are probably in a hurry or for some reason they just miss it. Now, even if you miss it, the email address you provide will also help you to retrieve the file because purchase receipt to the download link will be sent to your email address. And then you can actually download from your inbox. All right. Again, the last is that if you're a first timer, a password reset link will be sent to you for you to set your password. And once you set your password, you can be able to log into your account, go to your purchase history and download. So there are 3 options to download a file after purchase. Purchase confirmation page via your email address, from purchase receipt that is coming from our site, and last but not the least, your user account. Okay, so these are options, but however, take note, there are instances where people do not get a file still. But first of all, purchase confirmation page is guaranteed. But if they miss it, they don't get a file because they provided a wrong email address or they're using a corporate email address. And now take note, some companies have the corporate email highly controlled. There are restrictions and any email that comes from outside is external to the email domain. So they're going to block it. And once that is blocked, you're not going to have access to the purchase receipt coming from our site. In that instance, you won't get an opportunity to download from your inbox. And again, you won't get the password reset link to set your password. Now, when it happens like that, the problem is actually coming from you and not us. But you have to exercise patience. All you need to just book a meeting or just, say hi and mention your problem. But if you say hi, take note of the time zones. Sometimes we are not readily available because there are different time zones. Okay, so you may be in a different time zone, we may be in a different time zone, and you just have to exercise patience and we're going to respond to you. But what is important for you to do is always provide your email address, all right, so that we can be able to reach you every time we come back online. We're going to see your email and we're going to respond to you instantly. All right, so that's basically how to check out. Now, take note, we have quite a number of landing pages. The price list, you'll find it over here in the shop page. This is where you can actually do a quick search on the website. Those who come with specific requests, you can actually search from here. For example, something on training, you're gonna see all our templates that relate to training. Something on risk assessment or risk matrix or whatever, you just Google search from here. You're gonna you see our risk management to risk and opportunity register. If you want something on corrective action, we have it right there. So whatever keyword that you use, you can use that to search for a template, and if it's not there, it simply means we don't have it. All right. Now on the on this very page is our landing page, and this is just like, you know, the home page being in the middle somewhere where you have a list of templates like this. The same thing right here. All you need to do is just click on the templates. Click on the link. It takes you to the product page, and this is where you can actually see all the pictures about the product, and you can scroll down and read more about it. You can even see some of our reviews. All right, now take note, the pictures are exactly what you'll be downloading, so there's no deception or anything. It's exactly what you're going to be downloading. So all you need to just click on download, and it takes you to the download page. Download page could be accessed from the shop. Take note. So over here you see the video description of the product. You can book a meeting before you buy. You can actually look at all the timestamps to our YouTube videos. So click on any one of them, or you can go and start all over and watch from beginning to end. You can check how to use it and all of that, and you click on purchase. Now take note of the instruction that came. Scroll down, purchase and checkout. So you need to do just purchase and checkout, and provide your email address from a personal email address like Yahoo, Gmail, Ymail, Hotmail, or whatever. Don't use corporate email addresses. When you use corporate email addresses, sometimes the email will be blocked by your domain or your server. All right, so that's basically how to check out from the website and make sure that you receive your download. All right, don't forget, purchase confirmation page is the most guaranteed way of downloading your template after purchase. All right, so we also have the premium pack membership. This is a landing page, and this is where we tell you that if you make a purchase, you join our family of pack users, and they're gonna have unlimited access to templates for a lifetime. All right, why are we saying that? Someone bought it many years ago, about 16 templates. A few years down the line, he visits our site and he sees 80 templates. He's already a premium pack member. You get to download all of them again. Now look at the value, only 16. A few years down the line, 80 templates, and it goes on and on. All right, so you go to our full pack, you see that we have a lot of templates that are actually in the pipeline that will be added to the full pack in due time. All right, so if I come to the full pack, you see quite a long list of templates that are coming, and this template is not exhaustive. In fact, it's going to keep extending because we have a lot more template that we are still developing. All right, so that's basically it on our website. Just take note that if you want support, you can always get support from here. You can always book a meeting with SHEQXEL and do exercise patience with us if you cannot download the file. Sometimes it's just coming from your email address, and we are always ready and happy to assist you so you can actually get your file. We are always ready to assist. Please don't leave us 1-star rating. Now take note, we are still excellent in this business, and we have 304 reviews. There are some reviews that are 1 star. Guys, can you imagine? Just 1 star. The person did not give 4-star, 3-star. He went straight to 1 star. And sometimes the reason they give is very, you do not understand. These are people who just want to kill our innovation, kill our initiative and all of that, because you do not just leave 1 star when we've provided all the means of getting support, and just for the fact that you're not aware, you simply rush and give us 1 star. That is something that we encourage people to desist from. All right, so please don't leave us 1 star. Leaving us a review is this opportunity in a lifetime that you probably leave just 1 review with us. That is something that we've observed. Customers leave review in their lifetime with SHEQXEL, and to leave a 1-star review over just not being able to download when you've not actually used the template, you've not seen all the other templates that we have, I think that it is not the best. All right, so guys, let's refrain from that. So thank you all for your attention. I believe that you find this video very insightful, where we took you around all the pages on our website and how to get support and how to check out and how to avoid not being able to get access to a file, how to remember that purchase confirmation page is the most guaranteed way of downloading your file. All right, and also I'm appreciating the importance of creating an account so that all your future downloads is going to be there. All right, so thank you all for your attention, and see you again soon in another video. Bye for now.